The new 2015 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,000 square foot LaBelle is here. This award-winning home offers custom features that no other builder has been able to match. In the last 37 years, the Plant City Building Center has delivered over 36,000 homes to our happy customers. Luxurious bathrooms, spacious, well-designed floor plans allow our homeowners to enjoy a floor plan that fits their lifestyle. Unmatched quality in the kitchen features cabinetry built by Palm Harbor, designed by our award-winning designers known for the elegance and the character that makes our kitchens truly special. Palm Harbor is the only factory builder who builds, sells, delivers, and finishes the home on site with our own employees, eliminating the need for low-bid contractors. Our Gold Key Care finish has been a process that we have offered for over 25 years. It is no secret that Palm Harbor is the only builder that offers a 12-year warranty on the home. It's all due to the quality and processes that only Palm Harbor can offer you. Call for free brochures or schedule a free factory tour to the largest model center in the entire country. 800-622-2832. That's 800-622-2832.